I don't want to get hit by one of those even if it was empty. Oh, boy, that was smart. The guy's in a hurry. Yeah. That was a safe pass, wasn't it? Steve AB4L. Going a different way. Stay away from those kind. Saying, see you in 73. You could go across. That was really good. Did you see that one? Did you see that one? Oh, we don't need to hold in that lane. Yeah, we can go anytime we want as long as it's a left turn. It's 2 in a row today. Steve AB4L. Lucky to be alive, making it home. Saying see you 73.